This is the Hasegawa, I think it's pronounced, F-14A Tomcat high visibility kit, 1/72nd scale. We'll be taking a look at this way before it gets built. I'm just going to make some videos of the kits that I have. I don't have very many in my stash at all compared to other people, but we're going to take a look at it and just see what kind of parts and instructions it has, and then carry on later. Okay, here are the sprues for the F-14A high visibility Hasegawa 1/72nd Tomcat. Anyway, try to stay out of my light here. Here's one sprue. The sprues look pretty good. I've never built a kit from this company before. I think this is the only one I own. Like I said, I don't have very big of a stash anyway, so. There's the clear parts, and I think these are the missiles and the bombs. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like the bottom of the fuselage or top of the fuselage. I'm not sure. We'll find out when we take a look at the instructions. Anyway, it looks like a pretty good kit, but won't know till I try it. Plus, I'm kind of basically a beginner level again. All right. Here are the instructions and decals for the F-14A Tomcat high visibility from Hasegawa, I'm assuming. I'm sure someone will correct me. Anyway, there's a ton of decals compared to what I'm used to. That's for sure. But they look nice though. Plus, if I'm not mistaken, it's two different versions. Yeah, it's the red, or I think it's the Jolly Rogers, I think. Anyway, here's the first page of the instructions. Looks like steps 1 through 4. They may go across. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out when I build them. Like maybe they may go across. I'm not really sure. I'll figure it out at some point. Should be, I think it's color coding, or maybe that's the loadout. Oh, turn it the wrong way. And we're over there. Yeah, now we're, I don't know. Like I said, I'll have to get used to these when I build it. I've never built one of these, and I'm not used to the instructions yet, so we'll see. It looks like the last one is over here. I didn't get it right. I'll have to edit that. There's 8, and there's 9. I'm for sure gonna have to read these carefully, that's for sure. Anyway, we'll do a long shot of them again from the first page to the last page, I assume. Here's the, should be the decal placement, depending on which aircraft you choose. Or which livery, whatever. And there's the things that are on the sprues. Anyway, should be a pretty fun build. Should be. Either that or super difficult for me.